Yesterday, I picked up my Supra with a fresh tune, but unfortunately, well, watch yesterday's video to find out exactly what happened. But we are headed over to our boys at DYNO to make this thing fast as hell. Ketchup, you ready? You ready to go fast? Let's do it. All right, it's like deja vu. We got these two in the passenger seat again, and Ketchup's found this little crevice. You drove the car yesterday. What'd you think?
It's cool. It's nice.
It's got good pops. Big turbo. It's got to be a little quicker.
Yeah, it's got to be a little quicker.
It's got to be quicker. Sick. Aren't you the cutest thing ever? Ketchup keeps turning sport mode on and off with her head. Just pulled up to DYNO, my buddy Ace's Mercy, looking absolutely sick. Honestly, these BBS wheels, I'm thinking, well, hello Ketchup, of something similar with a bronze look to them on the Supra. What do you guys think of these? These are so hard. So the car's currently making 427 horsepower to the wheels, but after today, it's gonna be making 550. Guys, the M5 community, I love you so much. All of you OG fans that are BMW enthusiasts, I posted that M5, the crazy one with the stroker 5.5 liter and a supercharger, and you guys have been hitting me up nonstop about reviewing E60 M5s that are built. Yeah, I talked to Alex DYNO, we gotta make it happen. Man, it is a dog vlog. Check out how beautiful these doggies are. Hello, hello. Guys, look at this. This was sitting on the table behind the Aventador. That's hilarious. All right, so Zane's getting a little jealous of that Aventador shooting flames, so he's got to show us. Yeah, I mean, your car might be loud. Is it?
No, not louder.
Not louder, but your flames are bigger. All right, bet, bet. Let's see. It's hot, like really hot, 10 feet behind his car when it's shooting flames like that. Dude, your flames were so much smaller. No. Your flames are small as fuck, dude. I'm kidding. They're crazy. It's cool to see not just supercars being tuned here. So this is a new G63. It's got the 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that stock makes 577 horsepower. I drove one of these right when it came out, and honestly, with the all-wheel drive and the new transmission, it's really, really fast stock. But with a simple tune, this car makes 650 horsepower at the wheels and 750 pound-feet of torque at the wheels. Not to mention, this color and spec is pretty freaking baller. There's something so sick about a white Aventador Roadster. Look how much this pops out. It's literally the middle of the night right now, and every other car you can't really see. Look at that. Wait, why?
Got that spotlight.
Yeah, okay. Maybe that was the reason. All right, guys, we're going for a rip in the new G-Wagon. So the fact that this doesn't even have catless downpipes, this is just a stage 1 tune, and it pulls like that, that is, oh my God. The whole front of the car lifts off the ground like it's an airplane. All right, that G-Wagon is absolutely insane, but doesn't hold a candle to Alex DYNO's personal 720S that he's currently having all of the body panels painted, get this, in Rosso Mars, a Lamborghini color, and apparently this thing makes 1,150 horsepower to the wheels. Honestly, it kind of looks really dope, mostly taken apart like this. Downpiped and tuned Urus, that is gnarly. Jesus. This Urus looks so dope. Matte gray 4G autos with floating center caps and downpipes. All right, that'd be a pretty sick daily. What a lineup. Holy shit. First time hearing the F12 in person. That is ridiculous. Bro, and that thing sounds like a damn race car. All right, guys, the moment of truth. They read out the software. It's the correct version. Now, apparently, if you take your car back to the dealer, Toyota is like adding in extra security features on the ECUs to make it harder for tuners to tune the cars. But we don't have that, thankfully. Let's see how much power and what kind of flames this thing is about to shoot. I'm so stoked, guys. You guys have no idea how excited I am right now. I've literally waited a month for this thing to be a beast. And like, I think in 20 minutes, she's gonna be done. All right, the tune is going in. All right, so they just did the first dyno run on the tune it had before, made 425 to the wheels, which is exactly what it was making. Now they've erased the tune, and apparently they're having it set up so it can run on 91, but you can add E85, which helps boost the octane a little bit, make some more power. They're thinking like 515 wheel on 91, and if you put a lot of E85 in it, well, heck of a lot more than that. Oh my God! Oh my God! Bro, I thought you said my car wasn't loud. What's up? The pops are so freaking loud, it's ridiculous. I love how I'm the only one wearing ear protection. Oh, yeah. Oh, they're getting set up. Dude, vlogging with these on, I can't even hear what I sound like. What is this? I'm trying to make money on this car, right? What is that? Is that your Art Basel piece? How much is that worth?
It's like 150.
150 over sticker for that?
Sticker, yeah.
Over banana?
Over banana, yeah.
The car's bananas, bro.
Yeah, I guess. All right, so for some reason, apparently my dog is terrified of external microphones on the top of cameras. So watch this. Who is the cutest dog in the world? Oh my God. Are you chilling out?
Now watch this.
I get you.
Right.
Oh. Oh. Oh, but it's okay. It's okay. What the f— Maybe it looks like a cat? I don't know. What's the matter? What's the matter? Watch out, bro. She's ferocious. All right, catch up. No more cameras, I promise. We'll be far, far away. No, this camera doesn't bother her. I think it's something about you, man. I don't know. Yeah. All right, adding some E85 now. Let's see what kind of power she makes. Alright guys, crazy noise right now because of the fan, but check this out. This is what the car came in with, making 425 horsepower to the wheels, and then after their tune, running on 4 gallons of E85, we're at 545 horsepower, 542, excuse me, at the wheels. Holy shit. And look at the difference in the torque curve. Oh my God. Well guys, she's all done. Picked up 140 horsepower to the wheels at the top end. I can't even imagine how fast this car is about to be. We're gonna go for the first drive right now, but you're gonna have to stay tuned to the next video for that one. So click that notification bell, make sure you're subscribed. I look forward to seeing you guys next video.